Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif now is ready for peace talks with India. But even then, he has a condition. Amid all of this, not getting badgered enough at the bases and terror targets was enough. Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif says, I quote him here first, ready to talk with India for peace. He wants a peace talks, but he's also put a condition, and the condition is what Pakistan has always dreamt about. India must address the Kashmir issue. This is what Shehbaz Sharif has said. Let's listen in first to what the PM is saying. Viewer, remember this, that it's important for Pakistan to constantly bring up Kashmir issue because they have nothing better to contribute either for their own country as inside or perhaps for the world as well. But India has to be careful to not hyphenate India-Pakistan when it comes to Kashmir. There's nothing to mediate. Shivani Sharma coming in on this for the morning. Shivani, tell me this. What I noticed was again more posturing, trying to show to armed forces personnel who are women this time, copycat with regard to India. But when he says, I'm ready for peace talks, do you think India should fall for it?
Not at all, Pooja. Pakistan cannot be trusted, and Pakistan has been breaking the Kashmir issue since decades now. And India has been making it very clear, no talks at all except of terror, about terror and how you can uproot terror nexus from your country. That's the only talks that India needs to do now. But Pakistan's Prime Minister thinks that India will talk about Kashmir. That is total nonsense, total bluff that he is trying to create among its own people to save his face after the failure that he has been in so many years. So now, when Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is once again bringing out this issue, he's trying to just rake up the Kashmir issue. And the Prime Minister in India has made it very clear as a Modi doctrine, Pooja, no terror and talks, no terror and trade, and nothing to do about except terrorism and POJK. So we intend to take POJK, and Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif is saying that Kashmir is an issue. So that is the kind of contradiction that we have been.
They've been trying to discuss the Kashmir issue since 1947. They've been trying to invade into J&K since 1947, even in 2025. Perhaps they want to continue to do it, but India this time very clear that Kashmir is not something we need to discuss with Pakistan. But we'll see how the peace talks go. Shivani, thank you very much for now.